What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We got the extended holiday Matco flyer catalog. Matco flyer from 6/15. I know, I'm late. I had this and didn't put it out. 6/15 to 7/7. And on the front, we got the extended sealed head ratchet, 16 volt. So stick around. I think this is going to be a good flyer to talk about. Let's check it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and all tool lovers alike, we have one of my favorite ratchets. I'm a big fan of it. The 16 volt 3/8 extended sealed head ratchet kits. DeWalt and Matco are the only two people on the planet that are carrying this design in a sealed head ratchet. 51050 gets you blue, orange, or green. I would love to have a blue one, to be honest with you. I've never been a big fan of colors, but includes 2 batteries for extended use. This is a handy tool, I'm telling you. I think this is one of the best. I have a DeWalt one in 1/4 and 3/8, plus I have the Matco in 1/4 inch, and I love them both. I think I would like to have the extended one. I mean, way too many ratchets, yes. Is it a bad deal? No. I mean, I always say it's better to have and not need than need and not have. But that would be a lot of ratchets to have for that kind of, the investment that I have in them. Anyways, let's move along. I know you guys are my lusting over the ratchet. I got to tell you, the 1/4 inch has been phenomenal. So we got a BOGO on some extensions. I do believe these are USA made 5-piece chrome 3/8 drive extension set and you get a 3/8 drive 20-inch chrome extension for the price of the $176.25 for the other 5. I'm not going to call it free. It's really not free. You're paying for it to get one, so they throw one in. I mean, it's a BOGO. Buy one, get one. Okay, buy 5, get one. Okay, maybe that's a whatever. Anyways, ADVD impact sockets. We got $66 for the 14-piece 1/4 inch drive and $65.50 for the 13-piece. Then we have the 4-piece 1/2 inch drive, 12-point, 5-inch long drive line socket set. If you guys work on Ford drive lines or you work on semis, I know for a fact when I was a dealer, 12 millimeters and 9/16 are just phenomenal, ridiculously high warranty. $231.95 for that set. We got a flex head ratcheting wrench set, extra long, double flex ratcheting wrench set for $369. Moving right along, we've got the great American, Lee Greenwood would love this, right? And the Save 1776. How cool is that? I like it. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. Save 1776. You almost got me to buy one, just based off of that alone. Not going to lie to you. The sad part about it is I saw something today I thought was really funny. And it said, what the irony is? When you go out and buy fireworks and you have to pay taxes on a holiday that we fought to be free from taxes, I don't think people remember what 4th of July was about in 1776. And we are one of the highest tax countries in the world. How ironic is that? Boy, they really, it took them, 200 years, but by God, they literally got back to us, didn't they? And if we'd have lived in Britain, here's a little fun fact. If we'd have lived in England, if we lived in England, we would have lower taxes than what we do in the United States. Think about that for a little bit. A little food for thought. Anyways, now we have new colors, blue and purple. The blurple, you get the blue, purple, blurple. I do like the purple. I think purple is kind of a nice, subtle color. Very neutral. Pink is kind of, people, I don't mind pink, but pink can be directed towards not being neutral, but I think purple is a pretty neutral color. It's manly, and it's good for a girl. It's nice to see some different colors always, I'm not a big color guy, I told you guys, but I do, it kind of grows on me. The purple is definitely growing on me. Anyways, $20 for the magnets, $12 for the pocket size one. Telescoping inspection mirrors, $13.50. We got a 1.5 window belt molding Removal tool, $20. And we got some 2-piece magnetic parts bowl sets, $48.50. We have an underhood light bar, $299.99. Then we have a 5-piece clip lifter set, blue, $129.50, which is a Calvan rebrand. And I will leave a link for that in the description if you guys are interested, because it's like a third of the price. Very awesome tool. Then we have the quick lock razor blade scrapers, $56.95, and then a blast through any task, lifetime warranty, Matco Hyperstep Cobalt Mechanics Link reduced shanked. That's a whole mouthful. 29-piece set, and $519 gets you all them gems right there. Pretty sweet deal, especially if you want lifetime warranty bits. Nobody out there other than Matco, I believe, is doing that for the Hyperstep series bits. So that is a definite treat. 3-point aluminum scriber, new, $11.50. We got the triple head multi-direction rechargeable work light, $224. And we have up there the light bar, which is rechargeable glare-free underhood light, green, $319. Only bad thing is I don't know what you attach with it. It looks like it has rubber. Oh, that's got the clamps. They almost look like rubber stamps, but kind of an interesting new light there. Definitely kind of like that flat bar design. Looks very light and compact. I'm digging it. I like it. Plus it's green, so that adds a little bit of element of differentiation to it. Okay, moving right along here. Ultimate Pressure Vacuum Bleeder Kit, $667, and the 10-liter ATF refill kit. Very common to use these ATF refill kits because transmissions are sealed. A lot of people ask why the transmissions are sealed. Well, that's because people overfilled them. Honestly, there was more problems with people playing with transmissions and putting too much fluid in or adding the wrong fluid that the manufacturers decided it was just easier because of contamination and issues to go ahead and seal up the transmissions. And I can't blame them, because you know what? Too much bad information and people don't take the time to research. Bam, that's what you get. So if you've ever wondered, which I'm sure a lot of you haven't because you're technicians, but you know, nonetheless. And then we have the vacuum pressure pump, one of my favorites, the old Mityvac rebrand, $146.95. I will leave a link for all these are Mityvacs right here. I'll try to leave a link for these Mityvacs. They're about half price if you don't have a Matco dealer. If you do have a Matco dealer and you love supporting your Matco dealer, hey, that's not a problem. Of course, over here we have the Lisle rebrand, which are not new, but new. We have the injection rail line caps, so you can cap off your injection lines, $123.50. And then this is one of my favorite tools, believe it or not, the injection seal installer kit from Lisle. Believe it or not, you had to buy the kit before, and it was about 3 times the price, $90.50. But this is for doing GM style or Ford style seals, Subaru engines, so on and so forth, so you can install the solid when you replace the injectors for whatever reason. Why don't you know, when you pull the injector rails off, you need to replace the seals because they can get damaged. Sometimes you can get lucky, but you know what, sometimes just the injectors need a seal replaced, and instead of buying a new injector, save your customer money, and these seal installers work absolutely fantastic. Electrical disconnect pliers, top seller, 100%. Over 100,000 pairs of those have been sold. Electrical disconnect pliers, $34.50. If you don't have them or you haven't heard of them, you've been living under a rock, the links will be for in the description. Pulley puller installer, another Lisle rebrand there, $85.50. Of course, we have the Matco 2-pack magnetic bit adapter, which magnetizes and demagnetizes your bits. Large hyper steps, $436.95. 81-piece Auto Master tap and die set, lifetime warranty, $449. Then we have some Oakley prisms with the corridor mats and Hollowbrooks Batwolfs. I have the Batwolf standard issue. I think I have all those actually, except for the corridors. And then a trucker hat, red, white, and blue. Come on, yeah. God bless America. All right, now we have explosive deals. Giving a little 4th of July. You know what is a crime? I will tell you. It's not to sell USA tools during a 4th of July holiday sale. this is a crime. And we all know these wrenches are not USA. Just saying. A little bit of my moral, moral compass, being out there. Don't be offended by that. Believe you me, I understand we're in a global market, guys. I just like to point out a few things. Don't take it personal. Anyways, $208 for the 12-piece set, $333.50 for the 12-piece flex sets. We have the 46-piece quarter, 3/8 half-inch drive ADV Master Hex and Torx Bic socket set, $334, $334.95. If I can spit everything out here. 10-inch double locking flex ratchet quarter hex and quarter square drive, $93.95. And of course, we have the 10mm by quarter-inch ratchet wrench with 10mm by quarter-inch square adapters. Save yourself $20 and $17 on each. $42, $42.50, $49.50, as I said. And then the 3-piece 3/8 drive 12-point magnetic thin wall sockets. I know I don't read these in order, guys. I'm sorry. Dyslexia. It's a real problem. $100 for those. $100. Give me 100 down. Give me 100 now. Give me the $42. Yeah. Alrighty, looky here. We got the big bad Matco impact 20-volt half-inch drive impact kits, $19.95. Love them, hate them, whatever. But they got the blue, the orange, green right there, and you get a free. You get a 20 amp hour, 5 volt, 20. You get a 20 volt, 5 amp hour battery with it. So, you get to buy the impact basically as the regular tool price and get a free battery this time. Then, of course, we have down here the new 3/8 drive pneumatic palm impact wrench blue 320/50 and the big dog. Oh no, the middle dog. Short barrel pneumatic impact hammer kit burgundy $442. The only tool that they have left that are burgundy is their hammer for some reason. Maybe that's why they keep trying to push them. I don't know. Anyways, moving right along here, we got the programmable TPMS sensors. Do not buy your TPMS sensors off the tool truck. $116.50. I will tell you a little tech tip anyways about that. Buying a TPMS sensor, you can usually buy a tool. I'll tell you. Altel sells a tool. Listen, this is an insider. If you guys are buying TPMS sensors, you can buy an Altel tool, sell the tool, and then you have the sensors, and you make money. No joke. I've done it 100 times. Maximus TPMS 3.0 diagnostic tool, $13.99. Little just insider. This is what we got to do in the industry, guys. Fuel pressure test kit, $104.50. Maximus diagnostic thermal imager, $1,260. See visual heat. Just did a video about a thermal imager. If you haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out because the one I have was similar, not the same as the Maxtia. Maxtia? Why is it? Oh, Maximus. Why does that say Maxtia down there? Maxima. It should be Maxima, right? Maximus, whatever. Anyways, basic compression tester set, $90.50. We have a piercing probe kit, $36.95. And then we have the smoke dual pressure smoke machine from Speed Smoke from Redline, $3,049. We have the Wrap Assist. I've talked about this. I've owned this, and this is so you have to pay. Here's the thing about this I want to talk about. If you guys are interested in this, I've already done a video. I sold my, I got rid of mine, okay? Programming, diagnostic repair assistance. It's a great deal, okay, to help you out. Wrap Assistance and Opus IBS, fantastic company, what they're doing. Do you get dealer, can you get dealer level software uses? Absolutely not. That's one thing you need to understand. You cannot get stuff that is specific to dealers. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to do something like programming a Nissan transmission and you didn't get the CD software with it, okay? You cannot program it without the Nissan specific scan tool. Even with Wrap Assist, they don't have that, which is kind of weird, unless they've changed it. Now, I could be wrong. I don't want to say that without confidence, but when I owned it, that was the one reason why I got rid of it, because of that. So you pay also $2,700 a year for the tool itself, and that means you don't own it. Okay, so anybody that actually is looking into that, hopefully that helps you out. Maximus fully loaded subscriptions, $12.82, $13.77.50 for the heavy duty. But yeah, talk to an expert, learn more, definitely. Furman Power Equipment, power in any solution. Generators, no prices on them. Good generators. 134 valve core installer kit, $146.50. Visual inspection sight glass, $223.50. Dual aluminum R134 and 1234F, 1234YF hoses, $345. We got an injection low side air coupler and a dual AC recovery machine for $11,994. Milwaukee, we got some Milwaukee stuff. BOGOs. Buy one of these, get one of these free. You know, get one of these. Buy this, get this. Buy this, get this. Everybody's giving out batteries, basically. So you buy one of these tools, and you get some batteries. You know, like you buy a hacksaw valued at $250, you get free batteries. Actually, that's not a bad deal. That don't seem like a bad deal. 2 batteries, 2-pack of 6.0s. Somebody tell me in the comment. But I don't keep up on the Milwaukee stuff, but $250 for the 20-volt hacksaw or 18-volt hacksaw, that doesn't seem bad. I feel like that's a fair deal. I don't feel like that's terrible. I mean, that's like $200 worth of batteries. Work hard, celebrate hard. Matco, show your patriotism. Made in China gear with American flags on it. Not gonna lie to you. Tell me that any of that's made in America with the flags on it. I just think it's criminal, you know. Don't get me wrong. It still looks cool. Probably decent stuff. Just, once again, me giving my thoughts that I probably shouldn't. You know, anyways. We got Flax Hat, turbocharged t-shirt. $34.95 skull. You know, we used to care about that stuff. Freedom to Jam. $69.95 for some waterproof earbuds. Raycons. Today's video is also not sponsored by Raycon. Imagine that. That's crazy. If you watch a lot of YouTube, you know what I mean. Little inside joke. Matco Slimline Tactical Folding Knife, $29.95. Doesn't look like a bad gig there. Might be a pretty nice knife. We got the old water toys. Can't beat those. $35 is almost a deal for those. Just to have a Matco water gun. You really could have a lot of fun in the shop with that. Not going to lie to you. Pranks, you know, that would be right up my alley. $49.95 for the 12-tray storage blue case. And last but not least, one of my favorite sockets of all time, the Matco Pro Non-Slip socket sets are on a bundle savings of $256. Total value for only total value of $441 for only $185. You're going to get the 12-piece quarter-inch and the 10-piece 3/8, and you will not regret it. I promise you, this is a deal that you will enjoy. Absolutely a must-have, and get to with your Matco deal. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.